I was saying attention TV so a video be a trendy and as pictures be a trendy edify empress na Ama Mcbrown home. And na actress so I want her for Ediaka baby Max home. Na ne odimunchire mu ediaba. Na butia for sa video ya na picture ya na asemi amaking a trendy be over a month now. Actress na Ama Mcbrown ekowo Canada na kire nukra ka ho bi ana ye hunu e wo YouTube so ye United Showbiz. Nene odumunchiremu abrega na for se ono de wonye mumpo ebe ne de fi se Ghana for mo tre odo eni so e de ama no nanso ono de kamia kwaye se nyinsen kro fa bi emfa nka baby magazine ho ana se kra se wakwo twins e de aka ho enti Ghana for ya na ensem bi wo ho amohwehwe mu yie na nsa na mo de betu da especially any bloggers for bi mu na wo bloggers for no bi wo din a what say come here say bloggers see and at YouTube page for you ana edi kan publish asemia e ma Ghana for ni na so edi so mu a na won share that any hu evidence kra na we mu ana kire say come here say photoshop bi ana wo ye edi intafo ni gugu ni boso e kire say na Ama Mcbrown wa na so no kra de onwo ye na afeso koso e kire mu say ono de ne baba akwa wo pe ene baby magazine na baby magazine ene ne baba akwa owo na we anosan so we kire mu say odo ewomba ye ni nephews ene ni nieces but odo pa de onwo bi emfa enka ho osan so ekoso e kire say ono say ba ni social media pages nko ade a eye ono ano manage omo obi a ho kwan say onfa ni din na Ama Mcbrown enko bi social media page bia ewo Instagram, YouTube, Twitter anas baby a obehu ohupiaro na we ana watchire mu akire say nkrofo bi ya ana kame akoye say na Ama Mcbrown ama won ho kwan say won bie social media pages e woni din mu a won fan di djuma na won so won fan enye sika efan free mu na sanso nya followers efan mu na so ono pa o ti ho pa de o ma sa right ne pa say obi emfa ni di enko bie social media pages alase de nti wa obehu social media pages bia yen kan say embo brand ne wabbo no na kire say eno enye ni page we anode ni social media pages eto ja wa kire say eno pe any pages o won say ko hu bi e de ka ho a na kire say enye no krem otanso eto aso say baby magazine bia no so eye ba ko pa eye baby magazine TV e wo YouTube omo obi ahu kwan say onko bi YouTube channel and say Facebook account and Instagram account, Twitter account enfama ono na Ama Mcbrown odimunchiremu edeka asema na trend say wa wontafo ane odimunchiremu ni na edbetuja edemagana for say yin say na Ama Mcbrown de banet say senya wo ka say United Showbiz no ya pamone free YouTube no I don't say ya kasa so o best respond there na so o say kama say insuo tira aponcheni odene I ready or feaba nti nsem a na Ama Mcbrown ede betudwa e wo ni YouTube page eye Mcbrown TV ana o chechire mu de gama Ghana phone na say eye ne de pa say munna mu dwen ne ho na so ono a wote hoyi pa de a wo efe na wo sisi ade on wo ye ebusa mfa sida enkoma University say wasomase ne mama de djumedie ede ebesomo University eye ayemie hima wana woni beje kama browa ana o hwe eno nti wa ye de bi ade komo bi no so Fabedum University Foundation now on also fankoye. The number is 0548302985. Insurano so ebebu so edema Royal Enterprise at the level stainless to number and a good as a ultimate friend now only know at the job fair FN. Now make out say wow person dey offer medium see a bowl with demand who dey run battle and a quiet at the home numbers in the school you know ultimate efa bako yenko ni yenko tina na Ama Mcbrown embassy ya.
And everything you call me is acceptable, depending on how you, define it. I'm just happy you love me. So it's been around on a lot of channels, and I just have to be fair right here, because if people are keeping you guys in suspense, and I don't like it. I just felt like yes, it's a good news to say that Ama Mcbrown is pregnant or has given birth, and not to talk of twins, which is very beautiful. It is really much a very good news. But the truth and the reason why I'm doing this video is because the lovely people, my loved ones are happy for me, and people are lying to you. They're happy for me somehow, but I feel like a lot of people are lying to you. And this is what I say: don't believe everything you see on social media. Do not believe anything you see on social media. The news has been around before. They said I've been sacked from Tvgh. I've not been sacked. No, I've not been sacked. No, we are family. UTV is a home. It's my family. I've not been sacked. No, no. I don't want to say I can't be sacked. Who am I? But it is a home, my family. If I go wrong and I have to apologize, I will. If something is not right, I have to be there. I mean, come on. I will. I'm not bigger than anybody. I love what I do at UTV. I have not been sacked. That's gone, right? Right? Good. Thank you for understanding me on that. It's gone. Now, I want to say that the latest news that I've heard about myself, that I say I'm there, but I wish it is. I've been heard, I've been called, I've read all the fake news about me being pregnant again. I mean again. Or me giving birth. Or me giving birth to twins. That's how it is. Oh, that would have been so lovely. But I bet you I have not given birth. I have not given birth, and my only child, my blessed baby, my lovely baby that I'm always grateful to God for, is your baby, your lovely one, baby Maxine. Yes, baby Maxine. You can find her out on Baby Maxine TV on YouTube, or on Instagram, I am Baby Maxine, or my page as a mother, I am Ama Mcbrown. There is no other page on YouTube, whether underscore, whether dash, or whether GH, or whatever. My baby has only one YouTube page, Baby Maxine TV, and only one Instagram page, I am Baby Maxine. She's the brand ambassador for Amalina Children's Haven, and that is the only work, as in job, ambassadorial job, my baby have. Please do not be deceived by any other page. I have not given any right to anybody to create a page for me, my daughter, or anything, my name. Now this is for Baby Maxine. So I have only one child, one biological child. I have a lot of children. You know that I have my beautiful stepchildren. I have my daughter, Nikita and Malika. Yes, I don't need to explain how they are, but they are my daughters. But I just want to say this, that people are taking advantage of my leniency, my quietness for granted. It is becoming too much, and I want to tell you that I am not pregnant. Neither have I given birth to twins, or a boy. I wish. Please don't read anywhere, don't believe anywhere, don't give anybody that attention that I've given birth this year and that it is news. How? Wow, I would have wished that. To have twins plus baby Magdalene, that would have been too much and beautiful for me. I would have thanked God for that, yes. But I have not given birth, I am not pregnant, and I'm not being sacked. Again, sa YouTube pages now. Meaning, say I'm feeding a lot of people on YouTube, which is normal and which is good. You have your daily bread, but don't deceive people. Sa YouTube pages on man channel or man media, one Ghana ne one no GH page na mpamochow mu deceiving crowd just to get numbers on YouTube and get money no. I think a time is coming mo be careful kaka. Munye very careful. All those channels na mo timi ye Photoshop. Eko fa me old face. Ede manim beto ho. Na mo de obi magu me ho Photoshop no. It's all lies. I am not pregnant. I've not given birth to twins. Neither have I given birth to a boy or whatsoever. Mr. We am susu mo musire mo na mo kan sem. Asem no sia. Ade ni je say. Mususu mo musrem enka nsempi na anya adofo bi anka menyia no because eya ni monyam ka efe but the kwan mo de nam so ne mo twi camera sim anim na mo chirechirem na wawo Canada na ebi muso kro no mto me ticket ema me na nyame hu mmobo nyame ohu ye nyina mmobo why ani mu na emi ceremony ani mu grafo den krani ta toilet bewo de David de omu ye no kese nkramo for de fefefe na yetimi block kwan kra name ceremony party ne friend say omu odi bi de mano bewo mi bewo o fane ife ko bewo info koko na esa mi koje mo o fane mi ta maka ka wa ka ife no koje mo. Oh, the way people are calling and they're happy, and I've read on social media, men who are YouTube, me cry. Oh, but yeah, this time, mammy, where you came, nene, cause I'm not the phone cry now, wash it. Now, say, Mama, I mean, who ya number one, come cry now, me pregnancy picture. When I come in my name, Chester Magazine, and car bad da. Ah, me, nana, me, my person who be brain, na me, who ya na mo, what other na mutu me home was a Ghana for. Might be a munjai, why? Mama, too much. Agbena. On that note, I'll say thank you. We're going to go on the third one. Now, on the third note, people are deceiving my lovely fans, my lovely people out there, with a lot of things that I want to address. Please, I know that it is entertainment. Everybody can say whatever. And that is why my channel, Mcbrown TV, I am Ama Mcbrown. Instagram, which is the most popular page that people know, my social media, platform that I am almost every day there, is my Instagram page. And I want to address the things that I've been seeing on social media about myself concerning how people have numerously opened pages on various platforms for me. Not just for me, but using it to deceive people. And it is becoming too much. It is not embarrassing to me because I have not deceived anybody, but a lot of people have created pages for me, and I would like to mention a few so that if you are following any of them, you will be extra careful. You don't have to be deceived with my name. When I go on YouTube, Facebook, it is very bad. My people, I beg you. There are a lot of, I am Ama Mcbrown. I am Nanama Mcbrown on Facebook. I have seen Nanama Mcbrown, Nanama Jiman Mcbrown, Empress Mcbrown, Nanama Mcbrown Daily. Oh God. It is becoming too much. Please, I would like you to go straight to
Abusia aha ana na mere fela o fela ebesi Attention TV o Facebook, YouTube, Twitter kwaya Attention Tvgh. Obanyi edwuma bi edi wo ho no mo e de amaw. Wo ko Facebook enso so ya Attention Tvgh. wokɔ Twitter so yɛ Attention TV gye dwuma bi a yɛdi bia ɛwɔ Attention TV so egu hɔ sɛ pɛpɛ a wokɔ a wobɛtumi akɛkɛ baako so na wahwɛ na wowɔ comment bi so a wagya wɔ hɔnom na wahyɛ ama bi so ne nsa akebimidi ɛne akosi aspa kɔkɔnsa more to come your way fila o fila on Attention TV Macau.